Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. Today and this whole entire week, we're going to be reading some passages and answering some questions. And we might have another field trip in there, so you're just going to have to wait and see what happens this week. I hope you tried extra hard on your iReady reading this morning. You need to make sure that you're completing that because it's giving you extra practice on your level. So if you skipped it and you just came right to this, make sure you go back and you do your iReady reading. So today you are going to be reading an article called Busy Bees. And it's only about a page and a half, but it has a lot of really good information. And then you're answering questions on slides 2, 3, and 4. And we'll talk about those a little more in a minute. Remember to zoom in to read the article better. You click on the magnifying glass, and I'm going to put it on a 100 so we can see it better. And remember all our different strategies. So cubes, obviously you can follow that. Or sorry, cubes is math, not cubes. Unreal strategy, making sure they already have our paragraphs numbered. We can read our questions beforehand to know what to look for. So we already saw our title was Busy Buzzing Bees. So we're going to be reading about our flying insects, the bees. Looking at some of our questions, it says, according to the article, where are honeybees originally from? So we're looking for where they are from. According to the article, why are honeybees now found on almost every continent? So we're trying to figure out why honeybees are found on continents, on certain continents. Next one, it looks like it's asking you what the word produce means. Again, more part B, talking about how you know what produce means. 5, why does the author include the diagram found on page 1? So we're going to look at that. 6, which paragraph would you find information about how honeybees make honey? So how they make honey. Look for that while we read. 7, how can bees help people? Select all that applies. So there's 3 answers. How can they help people? What is the main idea of paragraph 6? And what sentence from the text best supports your answer? So there's a lot of different things that we were asked to think about. So we're going to try and remember about those while we read. So I'm just going to start it off for you, and then you are going to finish on your own. It says honeybees are best known for their buzzing sounds, but this amazing insect is so much more than that. Honeybees produce honey. They can also help plants and flowers. Honeybees have yellow and black bodies. These striking colors serve as a warning to animals who might try and eat them. Their bodies are covered with tiny hairs. Bees are excellent flyers. They can fly up to speeds of 20 miles per hour and beat their wings up to 200 beats per second. Female worker bees have a stinger. If the hive is attacked, worker bees will swarm from the hive and use their stingers to attack. So those are the first 2 paragraphs. So you're going to continue on. Make sure, again, you do look at this graphic. It says types of bees in hive. There's the queen, the drone, and the worker. So there are different jobs that bees have, just like humans have different jobs, bees have different. And then you're going to be going down answering the questions. Just take the circle and drag it to which one you think is the correct answer. And then make sure you're back to the article. If you want to underline some things, there is the line tool here. You can go the line. Let me see. You just click line. Oops. And there you go. And you can start from one end to another. If there's a certain sentence you want to underline, that's one tool you can use. It'd be harder to highlight. You'd have to put in a text box. So I would just stick with underlining if you want to do that. So again, finish the article and then answer questions on slides 2, 3, and 4.